Change is the law of life.
Okay.
And those who look only to the past and the present are certain to miss the future.
Let's think of it like 52%.
3, 2, 1.
You can not experience transition without changing, but you can change without transitioning.
Can you find it? Do you know what it means?
I care because it happened to me and I want somebody else to go through it.
We'd all be watching television by candlelight.
And we don't have to be scared about that. What we do have to do is embrace it. It's because we show up for each other, it's because we show up for our community, and it's because no problem is too big for us to solve.
Painful. Change could be painful, but nothing is as painful as staying stuck.
Ooh, what?